Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Google Ads scripts for automated SEO improvements, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your browser and go to the Google Ads website. Log into your Google Ads account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Tools and Settings icon in the upper right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Scripts under the Bulk Actions category. On the Scripts page, click on the blue plus button to create a new script. You will see the script editor window. Here, you can write or paste your own script for SEO automation. You will now see a list of available scripts. Select a script that fits your SEO improvement needs. Once you have chosen a script, click on it to open its details. Review the script's code and instructions to ensure it meets your requirements. If you're purchasing or borrowing a public script, make any necessary modifications. Next, click on the Authorize button to give the script access to your Google Ads account. You will be prompted to choose the Google Ads account associated with the script. After authorization, return to the script editor window. You can now set up a schedule for the script to run automatically. Click the Preview button to see how the script performs without making actual changes. If everything looks correct, click the Save button to finalize your setup. Once saved, you can run the script immediately or follow your scheduled interval. Keep an eye on the execution log to monitor the script's performance over time. Adjust the script or settings as needed to optimize its effectiveness for your SEO goals. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.